The choice of material is a basis to decide whether the product is good or bad. Our cylinders are made of 300 for stainless steel. It has good corrosion resistance. Of course, good control of CNC lathes and processes is also very important. It can ensure the concentricity and machining accuracy of the cylinder. Before the daily mass production, our quality control personnel will carry out the first inspection of the products. The turning process is followed by our turning tapping process. If processed with ordinary equipment, the general efficiency is relatively low. Mass instability. Production is difficult to guarantee. So we use the processing center for processing. Production is completely programmed automatically. Reduced human interference. Processing center for product quality, efficiency, precision, can play a very good control role. Of course, we will carry out spot checks on all products in the process, ensure that no defective products flow to the next process. In fact, even if the final machining size is 100% accurate, but if the cylinder hair embryo is trachoma, this product is also substandard. So we put each cylinder on line before production. We test it 100% for air tightness.